Out na lang. Jersey number 13. Then pass to jersey number 25. No good. Pasok yan para kay jersey number 18. Herrera. Perez. Nagmamadali. Perez pa rin. Teardrops. Pasok yan. Perez. Jersey number 6. 2 points. Jersey number 9. And the pass teammate. Jersey number 18. Herrera for 3. No good. They fouled by jersey number 25. Power ball. Oh, troubling. Perez, harassed by jersey number 25, pass to teammate. Number 13, pasok yan. Nahuli na naman. Perez. Perez, pass to jersey number 8. Hindi pumasok, follow-up shot by jersey number 11. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. The jersey number 9. Siya magtitimon. Teammate. Jersey number 13. Spin move. Pasok yan. Uy, nakakuha na naman. Pasok pa rin yan para kay jersey number 29. Up. A foul. A foul by jersey number 25. Yan. Running tires. The pass, teammate jersey number 11. The jersey number 12, drop for 3, in and out. A follow-up shot, pasok yan para kay jersey number 27. Number 29. Siya magtitimon. The pass is teammate, jersey number 9, back to number 29, 15 to shoot. Oy, outside the ball. Number 12. Received by jersey number 27. The pass, teammate number 11. Number 11, pass number 8. Easy 2 points by jersey number 8. Number 13. Oh, nabinawan. Doon naman jersey number 27. Received by Perez. Yante. The pass number 9. A pop shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 29. Nagawa ng bola. Jersey number 11, oh? Foul. Foul by number 27. The pass, teammate number 8. Fake. Pass to Perez. Perez, drive. A side shooting shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 25. The pass, teammate number 13. Binto ng konti. Wala. Number 12, Marlo Aquino. The pass number 8, Pay, jersey number 25. Attempt by jersey number 9, the pass teammate number 13, right-handed left, pasok yan. Number 8, the pass to Perez. Attempt by jersey number 9, the pass teammate number 29 to pasok yan para kay 2, 5. Perez. Harass by jersey number 9 ang nataten by, oy, Paul ka dyan. Time exile. Jersey number 8 received by jersey number 13. Try for 3. Bang! 3-point by jersey number 13. Appeal with long distance shot. Oy, Paul ka dyan. Team foul. Jersey number 1, harassed by jersey number 25, and then by number 13. Hindi pumasok? Ano go, no good? Rebound by jersey number 1. And the pass teammate number 27, 2 and 1. Uy, nabitawan pa rin. Number 18, the pass teammate received by jersey number 9. Harassed by jersey number 1. Crossover move. Drive for heavy traffic, but pass teammate number 18, a pull-up jump, no good. A pop shot back block in your face. foul na naman. 25, third personal foul, running for penalty. Jersey number 1. Paras by number 13. Number 10. Boy, foul ka dyan. Kita-kita sa... Jersey number 18. Received by jersey number 30. Ay, nakita na yan traveling. Kitang-kita sa mata. Number 11. Jersey number 11. Drive and pass teammate. A trap or three. In and out. Rebound by jersey number 18. Number 18. No good. Rebound by jersey number 91. Rodman. Wala. Apos. Ay, nakakuha ng foul. Galit ka yata eh. Laya. Penalty. Pasok ang unang magbubusla ni jersey number 11. Wala. Save ball. Jersey number 1, the pass. Uy! Nabinawa ng Walisario. To jersey number 27, nakuha rin. The pass to number 11, the bullet jump. Piece of the prize. Zario. The pass, teammate jersey number 11. Looking for his teammate. 15 to shoot. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Number 11. One-on-one. Wala. Follow-up shot. Uy, nakakuha number 10. Yung number 13. Number 11. Itinutok. Pasok. Jersey number 1. Pass by jersey number 15 to number 27. Number 11. 2 drops. No good. Rebound by jersey number 18. A bullet pass by number 13. A left-handed layup. Pasok yan. Jersey number 12. To jersey number 1. Pinagulong. Pasok. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Number 13. Oy! Garaling. Magaling ang referee natin. Mabilis. Number 1. The pass teammate. Jersey number 91. Rodman. The pass teammate. Step back. Mag-block in your face. Rebound by jersey number 18. A bullet pass to number 10. Number 10. Drive. Isulayang. Tapos na konti. Number 11. Drive ahead of traffic. Mag-block. Under goal. Uy! Nakakuha ng foul. Sario. Hindi pumasok. Pangalawang pagbubuslo ni 27. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Rebound. A pull-up job. Teardrops. In and out. A pull-up shot by Dennis Rodman. Rebound by jersey number 18. Ras by Marlocchino. Number 18. Drive. Oy! Traveling. Number 1. Oy! By Dennis Rodman. The pass to teammate jersey number 11 to number 12. Pink. Ano ka ba blocking your face? Number 27. 1 for 3. Oh God. Another rebound by jersey number 1. A follow-up shot by number 12. Pasok yan. 39 seconds. Huli na naman ni number 1. Naibato kay number 10. 30 seconds. Sario for 3. Bang! 10 seconds. Pasok yan. 5 seconds na lang. 2. End of the first quarter. A jersey number 10. The pass team jersey number 1 for 3. In and out, rebound by Perez. A jersey number Tupal. Tupal and pass team jersey number 08. To jersey number 29, Tupal. 14 to shoot. The pass to jersey number 10. Pasahan to drops using the board. Pasok yan. Abulat pass. Perez. Easy surprise. Napakagaling na bata na yan. Simple yan. Jersey number 3. Magate. Paras by jersey number 10. And a pass. Oh. Save ball. Number 28. In and out. Wala. Butada. Ang ganda naman nun. Pasok yan para kay jersey number 3. Number 1. Crossover move. The pass by jersey number 8. And pass number 27. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. And pass by jersey number 6. The pass to number... Uy! Pumosterized pa. Another rebound. Wala pa rin. Pasok na yan para kay jersey number 16. Carmelo Alvarez. Crossover move. Jersey number 10. Pass to Perez. Number 8. Is 2 points. Ito lang ang kalamangan ng Maminoy. Jersey number 3. Magate. Crossover move. The pass, follow-up shot. Pasok kay jersey number 28. Number 1, the pass to number 8. The pass, teammate, Perez. Number 27, back to Perez. Number 1's there. Pasok yan. Yan ang maganda laro. Dinadaan sa bilis. Jersey number 29, step back by jersey number 16, no good. Number 28, side shooting shot, in and out. Rebound by jersey number 27, the pass number 8 to number 10, one-on-one, right-handed, but no good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, pass by jersey number 10, 15 to shoot. The pass, foul shot by jersey number 10, nakakuha ng foul, loose foul, right? 7 in, number 27 out. Yung magsasab, lumapit dito ha. Wag yan sa bench nyo. 10 to shoot! Number 10. Pass by number 8. 5 to shoot. Back block. Senet. Pass by jersey number 16. Senet crossover move. Binubog. Save ball. 17 to shoot. 1 second. 2 seconds. Jersey number 10, pass by jersey number 1. Number 10, Lumea Posterize, pasok yan. Number 10, pass to Senet, to jersey number 1. Number 8, teardrops, no good. Rebound by Tupal. Tupal, ang ganda naman nun. Undergo, no good. The bottom shot by jersey number 16. Time out. Exile. By Maminoy Overload. Bakat mo. For the end of the first half. Official score 34-23. Pewa ng Maminoy. Jersey number 1. Looking for teammate, the pass, teammate jersey number 12, back number 1. Pagdating by jersey number 3, the pass to Oro. To jersey number 16. Pasok yan. Pinutok. Oh. Exile ball. Number 6, Perez. Perez. Zigzagging. Jersey number 12. Pull-up jump. No good. Rebound by Tupal. The pass teammate Oro. Oro. The pass teammate jersey number 3. Lumayap ng napakalayo. Pasok yan para si Jordan. Perez. Perez. Didiskarte. The pass to Senate. Senate. The pass. Ang ganda using the board. Pasok yan para kay jersey number 12. Jersey number 3. Setting the ball. The pass teammate Oro. Under goal, but no good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Oro again. Back number 10 using the board. Pasok yan. Jersey number 1. So jersey number 10. The pass teammate Senate. But 10 by Oro. Stepping on the line. 16 to shoot. Kaya. The pass teammate jersey number 12. Teammate Senate. The last. Back to number 12. Number 10. Teardrops. In and out. Rebound by. Jersey number 13. Siya magtitimon. The pass teammate. Tupal for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Aras by number 25. Aras Tupal. Behind the back. The pass teammate. A pull-up jump. Kapos lang. Na-rebound. Shoes in the line. Number 13. The pass Tupal. The pass teammate. Jersey number 10. Oh! Muntik na. Jersey number 1. The pass to Perez. 1-on-1. Right-handed layup. Pasok yan. Minutes and 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. Tupal. The pass to jersey number 13 for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9. Substitution. Number 1, back to Mario Aquino. And then back to Tupal, easy 2 points. Pasok yan. Napakasipag. Perez for 3, Idol. Pasok yan. Para kay Idol Perez. Yante. Nasundutan ni Aquino. The pass ni may jersey number 1. Pass by jersey number 13. Dumidiskarte, 15 to shoot. Ay, nabinawag pa. Pati by number 16. Nagmamagalis 13. Ibinalik. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Jersey number 12. The pass is teammate number 1. Pass to number 91. Dennis Rodman. Nabos ng konti. Nakakuha naman ni number 1. 12, 10 to shoot. Perez for 3. No good. Number 16. Pass by Perez. Pass by Dennis Rodman. Yante. Pass to jersey number 13. A try for 3. Bang. 3 point by jersey number 13. Tan-tan-tan. Uy, muntik nang magkapalitan ng mga. Third personal foul. Goalkeeper's team foul. Perez for 3. Bang! Perez. 3 point. Ability long distance shot by jersey number 6. Perez. Number 13, that's by Dennis Rodman. The pass to, ay! Ang tawag? Traveling, said referee Tauro. Nice rep. Sene, the pass to Stimate, natatem by jersey number 10. The pass Stimate number 16, tinutok, pasok. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Kinalas ng dalawa. Nakuha. Jump ball ang tawag ni referee. Jersey number 13, looking for Stimate. Received by jersey number 10. Pumike, step back, pass number 13 for 3. In and out. Nakatayo lang si 25. Undergoal. Undergoal. Rebound by jersey number 91. Nakatem by number 16. 1 minute and 5 seconds. For 3. Muntik pa pumasok. Bulls foul. Pangalawa ang pagbubuslo ni jersey number 10. Papasok kaya? Wala. Isa pa ang kick and joy. Pangatlong pagbubuslo ay magkakali ng Arenolang de Corriente. Pasok yan! Kunin mo na lang dito ang Arenolang de Corriente. Nakuha ni Perez. Yung pass, teammate. Napakabilis naman. Number 1, Perez. Right-handed. Pasok yan. Number 16, received by Tupal. Tupal is dribbled by Tupal. 40 seconds left. And to shoot. Crossover move. Right-handed. But no, the palm shot by jersey number 25. Uy! Nakakuha pa ng foul! 91. Dennis Rodman, second personal foul. Bonus shot by Yante. Ang taong pugante si Yante. Pinabanda, walang follow-up shot by jersey number. Ang follow-up shot again by Tupal. Pasok pa rin, napakasimpag ni Tupal. 23 seconds. Uy, muntik na mabitawan. 20 seconds. Yate. Didiskarte. Yate. Punta na pero foul. Foul by. Wala. Baldog. Patay ang butike. Lumalamig na ang panahon. Magkaka-snow na tayo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Dennis Rodman. The passengers number 1. Pass to Perez. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Five. Oy, traveling. Wala na bukas. Number 11. Number 9, spin move up, traveling. Cubana. Sario. Wala. Number 9. Pasok yan para kay jersey number 3. Perez. Oy, nabitawan pa ni Senate. Dumaplis. Jersey number 3. Follow up shot by Sario. Wala. Perez. Munti ka na. Undergo. Wala pa rin.
It's at 9. Dito kayo ko. Sakto. Number 10, number 5. Basket shot para kay number 10. Pinawakan mo na ako ng mic eh. Number 27. Nawala. Nakuha niyo rin. Inagaw. Yung number 9. Nagaw din. Oh! Lumipad. Nagkapi sa ere. 6 minutes and 30. 56-43. Number 6. Jump shot. Wala, nakuha ni Yao Ming. Nagawa ni number 6. Pass to number Violet. Turnaround shot. With the pick. Wala. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Anong gagawin? Pass to number 10. To number 6. To number 10. Pass to number 6. Oh! Nangitlog si number 8. Time out now. Time out. Exhale. Paminoy. Next. Number 9. Pass to number 18. Wala na kuha ni number 11. Number 11. Number 1. Number rin nakuha ni number 3. Basket shot. Utata, si number 11. O, inaagaw ni number 8 to shoot. 5. Number 1. Ay, pinasahan yung outside. Number 9. Pass to number 18. Wala na. Number 27. Number 27, pass to number 10. Number 10, naman ako sa number 10. Number 10, number sa Pumeke. Ganda naman kaso nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Nagdadala ng bala. Nagtitipon. Pass to number 5. Ito meron na Tres. Number 1. Jump shot, basket shot. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Tapos number 1, Active Vaughn. Pass to number 27. Pass to Black Rider. Naagaw. Nakuha pa rin number 27. Number 27 nag-dribble. Pass to number 1. 8 to shoot. Number 1 to win on the rest. 3 points. Grabe. Bagal bumaba ng kamay. 3 minutes exactly. Pass to number 18. Pinas to number 11. Alip. Basket dyan. 2 minutes and 45. Number 12 by foul to number 18. Kita-kita. Basket lang muna. Last throw ni number 12. Black Panther. Basket dyan para ay Black Panther. Pinasi number 18. Nakuha number 3. Number 3. Ano gagawin number 3? Pumulap dyan. Basket dyan. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. 15 lang ang lamang. To number 8, Pudenge. So by step, wala na kuha ni number 11, pinasa sa number 9, number 9, pass to number 18, pass to number 3, basket siya. One minute and 55. Number 1, tumira na tres, pasok yan para kay number 1. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Ayan na. Si number 9. Offensive foul para kay number 9. Number 27. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 12. Uy! Malakas na lang nakuha number 8. Number 7 na number 18. Nakuha ni number Kulosaber. Pinasa number 3. Pass to number 9. Pass to number Sario. 2 points. Shoutout sa kayo ko. Nandun na. Number 1. Pass to number 9 to number 18. Ang laki ni number 18. Number 18 sa my step. Wala nga lang nakuha ni number 18. Number sa pass to number 11. Kinaliwa. Grabe si number 18. 30 seconds. Uy! Wala pa rin. Number 11. Pass to number 9. 19 seconds. Kapos, nakuha ni number 1. Number 1, pass to number 10 seconds. Foul. Three points, 5 seconds. Fourth quarter na tayo. Score 7. Number 28. Pass to number Kaliwete. Basket dyan. Number 10. Sakuragi. Same ball. Number 27, wala. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11, kinaliwa. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 11 pa rin. Kumaliwa. Basket yan. Puro kaliwa ang ginamit. Dahil kaliwa siya. Number 29. Pinugatan. Nakuha number 6. Number 6, tumatakbo. Tumatakbo. Nag-marathon ginira. Wala na. Kuha na number 27 pass. Ay, nakuha ko ng 28 pa na nakakuha. Uy, nakakuha pa rin number 28. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Other pass. Wala na. Kuha rin number 10. Number 10. Tumatakbo si number 10. Number 10. Ano gagawin number 10 dito? Pass to number 27. To number 11. Number 11 kinaliwa. Basket yan. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Birthday to shoot. Tupal. Castro. Number 63 points. Para kay number 60. Number 10. Pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 16. Nakuha ni number 28. Number 28. Number 28 pa rin. Or, pass to number 27. Oh, may foul. Tinula. Number 10. Pass to number 27. Tumira, may county dyan. Nakasama. Sino na ang foul? Number 10 na nakulay blue. 20. Bonus shot yan. Bonus shot. Pasok yan. Para kay number 12. 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Number 28. Pass to number 29 na meron ng rest. Wala na ako. Oh, outside. Number 11. Number 11 na iwan. Ito dalawa. Number 11. Kumanan. Wala na ako. Ano number 28? Pass to number 29. Anong gagawin number 29? Bumalik. Pass to number 10. Wala pa rin. To number 10. To number 12. 27. Number 27. Number 27 na wala ko. Laging na magpalit ng mukha. Dalawa nakakuha ni number 28. Number 28 pa rin. Magdadala. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 29. Basket na yan. Number 10. Dalawang kusawer. Number 10 pa rin. Lumea, wala na ako. Wala na number 28. Pass to number 10. Dalawa. Time! Exhale. 3 seconds. Nakuha pa number 16, pass to number 29. Big-tune ko na. Foul, number 16. Number 6. Ay, number 29. Number 29, tumatakbo. Anong gagawin number 29? Survive step, wala pa rin nakuha. Number 6. Grabe si number 6. Laki ng base. Number 1. Tumukol ang dress. Wala. Nakuha ni number 6. Pass to number 1. Wala pa rin nakuha ni number 12. Number 12. Survive step, wala pa rin nakuha pa rin number 12. Basket yan para kay number 12. Libre si number 16. Basket yan. Boy. Outside track. Number 8. Number 1. To number 91. Oy! Oy! Haging na! Good! Grabe si number 12. Oras ay 3 minutes and 55. Basket siya. Galing naman ni number 6. Nice turnaround shot. Naagaw pa ata ni number 91. Tumungol na 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 38. Foul. Number 10. Pasok na kayo. Pasok na. Troy na wala pa bola. Binigay sa number 11. To number 6. Sa kanya pa rin. To number 11. Ang kalibayan. Sabi ko na nga eh. Kasi pumasok. Uy! Grabe naman si number 28. To Sario pull-up jab! Good job! Basket. Alright, number 6. Transition. Basket. 91. Warning number 91. One minute and 50. Konti na lang. One minute exacto.
Okay na.
Papayan po tayo. Pasok na po sa semifinals ng Panginoy. Next game. STAA versus Basement Selection.